Once upon a time, there was a small rabbit named Toto, known for his curiosity and bravery. He lived with his family in a large forest filled with tall trees and beautiful flowers. Toto always enjoyed playing with his friends in the forest, but deep inside, he longed to explore new places and embark on exciting adventures. One day, while Toto was exploring the edges of the forest, he spotted a mysterious village in the distance that he had never seen before. This village was surrounded by an old fence and wrapped in thick fog, as if hidden from view. Toto felt a strong urge to discover what lay beyond the fog. Toto returned home and told his friends what he had seen, but they all warned him not to go near the mysterious village. They told him that there were legends about this village and that those who entered it never returned. But Toto's passion for adventure was stronger than any fear, and he decided to go explore the village himself. The next morning, Toto woke up early and began his journey to the mysterious village. When he arrived at the village's entrance, he felt a sense of dread, but he did not turn back. He slipped through the old fence and entered the village. The village seemed deserted and unnaturally quiet. The houses were dilapidated, and the village's trees were dry and leafless. Toto began to wander through the narrow streets of the village, sensing that something strange surrounded him. Suddenly, he heard a faint voice calling him from afar. Toto followed the voice until he reached a large square in the center of the village. There, he found an old rabbit sitting alone on an ancient wooden bench. Toto approached cautiously and asked, "Who are you? And why does the village seem abandoned?" The old rabbit smiled sadly and replied, "I am the last one left in this village. Many years ago, our village was full of life and happiness, but because of a mysterious curse, all the inhabitants disappeared, leaving only me. The curse made the village hidden from the world, and no one can enter or leave it." Toto felt sad for the old rabbit and asked, "Is there a way to lift this curse?" The old rabbit replied, "There is a legend that says the curse can be broken if someone finds the sun jewel hidden in the heart of the dark forest nearby. But no one has dared to go there." Toto bravely decided that he would go search for the sun jewel to save the village. He thanked the old rabbit and promised to return. Toto set off toward the dark forest, where he faced many challenges and dangers. But he did not give up and continued to search. After a long journey, Toto finally found the sun jewel hidden in a dark cave. The jewel shone with a bright light, as if it held great power. Toto took the jewel and returned to the mysterious village. When Toto arrived at the large square, he raised the jewel high, and suddenly the fog disappeared and the village began to change. The houses returned to their original state, and the trees were adorned with green leaves. The villagers who had disappeared began to reappear one by one. Thanks to Toto's bravery, the curse was broken, and the village was restored to its former glory. The villagers thanked Toto warmly and held a grand celebration in his honor. Toto became the village hero and returned home filled with love and pride. From that day on, Toto became a symbol of courage, and everyone learned from him that bravery and determination can overcome even the toughest challenges.